Hello everyone, today we will unbox the Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite. So all you guys can see, this phone is 6GB of RAM with a Snapdragon 660 and a 128GB of RAM, and you all guys can see it's 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel for portrait, and the selfie is 24 megapixel. Now let's unbox this phone. So guys, this is the package of the Mi 8 Lite, and we also get a cover inside this. Seeing a cover is in it, yes, with the dongle and USB SIM ejector tool, and also with a cover. Sorry for that. You'll also get a cover, a really nice cover. So guys, this is the Mi 8 Lite. You all guys can see this is 24 megapixel selfie camera, 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel, 6.26 full HD plus display, and Qualcomm Snapdragon 616. Now let's boot up this phone. Yes, and you guys can see this is the power adapter. I think it's fast charging, maybe it's fast charging, but it's not showing it, and with a USB type C. This phone, guys, costs around, I think, $265. With that price and 6GB of RAM, this phone is really a good phone. So guys, in the next video, anything you want in the comment section below, just tell me in the comment section below. Any speed test, any comparison you want with this phone, I will do it for you. So guys, peace for everyone, and thanks for watching.